Hi everyone, welcome to HR Crest. This is Sudakshana. A lot of organizations have the review mechanism for all their functions. It is sometimes on a monthly mode, sometimes quarterly, half-yearly or yearly. I think for an HR department, it's a wonderful opportunity to talk about the HR deliveries during that period, whether monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or annually. And why is it critical to participate in these kind of reviews from an HR team perspective? It's apart from taking stock of what is going well within the department and what needs improvement, it is also a great opportunity to align business on the HR functions that the team undertakes. A lot of times it becomes a bit difficult to work in tandem with the other departments on a regular basis, and HR does their own thing. But when there are these reviews that happens, one of the key things that gets done is to align the business heads and the overall senior management team of the organization to what HR is currently doing and what HR plans to do. It's a wonderful opportunity to pre-soak the opinion makers and the key decision makers of the organization to the HR plan. So as an HR manager, if you're participating in any review, cross-functional review or functional review conducted by your senior management or your business head, make sure that you go well prepared with all data and insights and of course the body of HR work that has happened during the period. So not only showcase them during the review, but also ensure that you take enough time to pre-soak your key stakeholders and your senior management of the organization about what HR plan do you have for the forthcoming months. Trust me, this exercise will help you to ground your HR agenda very effectively. To know more details about how you can design an effective HR review presentation, the kind of contents that you should put in the presentation, and the way you drive your discussions with your key stakeholders and senior management of the organization, visit hrcrest.com. Thank you.